Today I will be talking about hydrogen therapy. In 2007, the group of Japanese scientists published a paper in Nature's Medicine about hydrogen as a therapeutic and selective antioxidant. Using acute red model, they demonstrated that hydrogen selectively reduces the hydroxyl radical, the most dangerous radical of all reactive oxygen species, so-called ROS. We all know that some ROS, such as superoxide radical, hydrogen peroxide, and nitric oxide radical, possess physiological roles. Japanese scientists demonstrated that hydrogen does not react with those particular ROS. We also know that ROS are dangerous. They damage our cells, proteins, lipids, and DNA. Luckily, our cells have protective mechanism against some ROS, but not against hydroxyl radical. Japanese scientists directly demonstrated that oxidative stress damage caused by hydroxyl radical was significantly suppressed by hydrogen gas. Now let's take a look how ROS affect our body and where they can come from. Most of the ROS, big part of the ROS, came from environment. For example, from UV radiation, ionized radiation, smoking, pollution, infection, also heavy metals, but also some of the ROS produced by our body in mitochondria and inflammation. As I said, ROS affect our body by damaging proteins, lipid peroxidation, DNA, and cause oxidative stress. So what oxidative stress do for our body? Next slide shows that ROS affect all parts of our body. For example, in brains, they can cause Alzheimer's and Parkinson. In heart, it can cause heart attack and stroke. In kidney, chronic kidney disease. In skin, wrinkles and cancer. It causes diabetes and Lyme disease. In joint, rheumatoid arthritis. In immune system, it causes chronic inflammation and autoimmune disorders. In blood vessel, atherosclerosis. In lung, asthma and cancer. In eyes, macular degeneration. And all these diseases, very dangerous diseases, caused by hydroxyl radical. Okay, now let's take a look at another diagram which shows that what hydrogen therapy can do. It's been a tremendous growth. It's been exponential growth in hydrogen therapy over this last decade since 2007. It was published over 3,500 scientific publications. The study was done in animal models and also in human pilot studies. It has been demonstrated that therapeutic effect of hydrogen was shown in 183 diseases. Now let's take a look here. In heart, cardiac fibrosis. In skin, ages and melanoma. In kidney, chronic kidney disease. In joint, psoriasis. In lung, asthma and cancer. In brain, Alzheimer and Parkinson. In immune system, it's chronic inflammation and cancer. In blood vessels, atherosclerosis, diabetes and fatigue. In eyes, macular degeneration, and etc., etc. Now the next slide is very interesting. Here you can see in green is highlighted the diseases which are caused by oxidative stress, and again in green here is highlighted the diseases where was demonstrated effects of hydrogen therapy. So in conclusion, I would like to say that one of the most remarkable effects of hydrogen therapy is that there was no reported side effects up to date of this particular amazing hydrogen therapy. This promising observation represents only a preliminary insight into its potential, and a vast array of therapeutic benefits remain to be explored and understood. Hydrogen therapy presents an innovative paradigm for both prevention and healing within toxic ecosystem. Its mechanism of action intersect with redox biology, mitochondrial protection, and immunomodulation, positioning it as versatile tool in the medical arsenal against pollution-related pathologies. Thank you.